Hello everybody, welcome to this vlog. My name is Satya. So in this vlog we will discuss about the difference between or what are the different types of artificial intelligence technologies that we have. The two main aspects of artificial intelligence are predictive AI and generative AI. So the first question that will arise is, what is predictive AI? In predictive AI, so you are predicting the future depending upon the data sets that we have, right? So depending upon the input, the small input that we give, small in the sense like enough input. For example, in a pharmaceutical industry, if you want to analyze the trends in the market, right? What is the different type of diseases that is coming up, which market has what type of anomalies with respect to diseases, then we can do a study on the data set, right? So that will not be big, right? It is only pertaining to pharmaceutical industry for that particular country or region. So then that is called as predictive AI. But the difference between with the generative AI is, in generative AI, so you will have the huge data set that needs to be checked or trained to get a pattern, right? So in both predictive AI and generative AI, so the whole purpose is to have a particular pattern coming out of the data set. So you keep training, there is a probability in mathematics, right? So you keep checking different inputs and what is output. So if once you get the correct output, then that is the correct pattern for that particular data set. So in predictive AI, the data set is less, right? But in generative AI, data set is huge and humongous, right? So chat gpt works on generative AI, whereas predictive AI or the prompt AIs that we have in, for example, chatbots and all, right? So if a pharmaceutical industry develops a chat box or a chatbot for customers, then it will have a predictive AI. So with a just small number of data sets. So then training them will not take huge CPU power, but still it would require a lot of GPU. Now then comes the question, the different types of CPU or processing units that we have. So CPU that is used for central processing unit, it's in computers, right? But in AI it is called as GPU, right? So GPU, what it does is it is specifically designed for uh, artificial intelligence so that it can train humongous data sets to get a particular pattern, right? So friends, this is what I wanted to discuss about predictive AI and generative AI. To summarize, predictive AI works on small data sets, whereas generative AI works on humongous data sets, that is called as foundational data sets, right? So that is the main difference between predictive AI and generative AI. See you in next videos. Bye.